Dear soft lifers, I do hope you're ready for the 4 seasons day 2 because I am elated. I hope you are too. Allow me to introduce myself first, and my name is Fiona, and welcome to this beautiful, amazing community. We love going to beautiful restaurants, enjoying different fine dining experiences, and sharing all about it in this community. If that's something that tickles your fancy, click the subscribe button. We promise to make it worth your while. Good morning, guys. It's the first breakfast. It's the first morning in the 4 seasons, and we are heading to get breakfast. Well, the sun is out to shine today. It's not cold, and I am excited to see what they have for breakfast. So this is how I dressed up to go for breakfast. Just a baggy jeans, a top, and some comfortable flat shoes, and no makeup. Actually, my face is pretty bare right now, but I'm happy about how it looks. Actually, I don't know what to do after breakfast, but there's a whole lot of activities to try out. So I think I can go by the pool, or maybe go to the gym, or edit a bit. I still don't know yet, but first focus on breakfast. So come on, let's go for breakfast. And without forgetting, allow me to deeply appreciate my real MVPs, the 400 plus of you who've clicked the subscribe button, who engage with my videos, who like my videos. I am deeply honored. I am deeply grateful, and thank you very much for consistently supporting my content. If you haven't engaged with this video yet, please click the subscribe button, like this video, comment, share a comment, and share it with a friend so we can grow this community. Without further ado, let's go for breakfast the 4 seasons way. And if you do not follow me on Instagram, here is my handle. Just type out this name, you'll be able to find me on Instagram, so you're able to keep up with the things I share. I have shared this reel on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram as well. So today's program is a lot like just having a good time. I wasn't feeling 100% perfect. I was still having a cold a bit. So my schedule was just taking it easy. I just woke up. I woke up feeling really bad, not feeling too well. So I woke up feeling quite unwell, but I had breakfast, enjoyed the view, and had my medicine and went back to bed. I just woke up, and right now I want to just get ready for the spa. I have an appointment at 1:30, so I think I'll go to the steam and sauna for maybe a couple of minutes, maybe like half an hour, 15 minutes for each, and then my spa session. I do have a 90 minutes facial and feet massage, and tomorrow full body. But yeah, I'm excited about that. I feel much better. I think I should take some more medicine. I don't know if it will make me so sleepy the entire time, but I'm feeling slightly better than how I was feeling in the morning. Being unwell while on vacation, I would not recommend. I would not recommend. All right, so let me just get ready, and I'll be bringing you to the spa with me. See ya. Ladies and gentlemen, the spa. This is one of the most spacious spas I have seen. Their eye for detail in the spa is spectacular. It's warm, it's inviting, it makes you just want to be in the spa area. I had 2 treatments booked, one today and the other one tomorrow. So I got there a bit early, went for the steam and the sauna a bit, and just sat out there and waited for my treatment. This is how it looks like on the outside area, and I'll show you how it looks like in the inside before heading out for the steam and sauna. The treatment was absolutely relaxing. I would highly recommend. If you live in South Africa, please consider trying out their spa. If you go to South Africa and are looking for somewhere to go and have a spa session, please consider the Four Seasons Spa. That I highly recommend. So thereafter, I just had a slow afternoon, did a bit of editing and sorting out of my stuff, and yeah, later on prepared for dinner. The restaurant we went to is 10 or 15 minutes away from the Four Seasons. Their food was so good. Their service was it was average because there were a lot of people, so they were taking time to serve us, but the food was good, so it was worthwhile, quite frankly. And the environment was good. We didn't get a good sitting position. I think it's because we booked last, like nearly 6 o'clock, but other than that, the rest of the things were absolutely worthwhile. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section what you think, And in case you haven't engaged with the video yet, please like the video, subscribe, share it with a friend, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this experience for day 2 at the Four Seasons Hotel. So this was my outfit of the night. I was wearing this amazing 2-piece in the color burnt orange. Guys, I'm not even sure if this is burnt orange, but yes, this was my outfit. I was feeling myself. I loved how I looked, so it's amazing. It's amazing. And without further ado, let me know in the comment section if you're ready for the Four Seasons Day 3 experience. Let me know what has been the highlight so far for the first 2 days. See you on the next one.